tested this engine of 5.8 cc displacement. Okay. Okay, just now our engine takes some tested the S angle. You can see the horse is very stable and the product is very powerful. And the equipped with the 50.8 cc per S angle, usually equipped with the 100 drawers and 150 and 200 millimeters drawers. The whole machine, the whole machine, the weight is 19.8 kilograms. As for you can choose this model is classic model. As for packing of our products, the packing you can choose the color box and the brown box. Just different the MOQ. For example, the brown box, the MOQ is 100 pieces, and the color box, just the MOQ is 500 pieces. As for loading quality, if you want to buy this product, the 220 GP corner can hold this product, the 252 pieces. As for 40 HQ can hold this product, the 503 pieces. Now where this product has been the EMC, CE and Euro 5 certification, and which means this product can sold this many countries. For example, the American, South American, and the European in many markets in the world. Meanwhile, with these products brought to OEM, you can choose the different colors with the plastic parts and the gearbox. And the with brought to make the customer colors. Just you buy the quality, meet the MOQ. As for with brought to do the make customers, the brown box, box, logo, motor, and harness, and the toolkit bag. Okay, just now introduction this product of us Auger. If you want to know more details, please contact us. Okay.